matic is right now at this very interesting area and the chance that we could continue the bullish trend is very high. In this video I will talk about matic and share my price prediction for the short term and for the long term. So let's go straight into the content. So first of all, matic is right now on place 18 of all cryptocurrencies with a market cap of $7.2 billion. The coin has existed since 2019 and we saw the all-time high in 2021. And as you can see, after we built the all-time high in 2021 at $2.92, we then saw this massive crash to lower levels. We then came into this demand zone right here, which was the start of this explosion. After that, we saw the first bullish move to the upside. Then we came all the way back into this demand zone again, saw again a bullish reaction. And now we are retesting this newer demand zone right here. And now the chance is very high that we can continue the bullish trend just from this zone. Because after this bullish move, we came back into this demand zone. And we now saw this massive wicks with the fourth weekly candle right here. You can see that we took the liquidity which was resting under this low, but we didn't broke this last demand zone. Because if we would break this demand zone to the downside, then I think the chance is high that we can see even lower prices. But instead of we came into the zone and then saw this rejection to the upside again, we just saw this wicks. So this indicates strong buying power for matic, and especially if Bitcoin is also going now to the upside. And I think Bitcoin looks very bullish right now with this weekly candle closing tomorrow, because after the new all-time high we came back with this retracement, but we also saw this massive wicks, this strong bullish power right here. And if we now can continue to move to the upside, then the chance is high that altcoins like matic can also explode. And as I said, matic looks also really bullish on the weekly time frame. So I think this kind of prices are a great chance to get into matic. And if you want to trade or buy matic, you can do this on Bitunix. Bitunix is a non-KYC, no VPN trading platform. So especially if you're from the US, UK, Canada and the Netherlands, you can legally trade on this crypto exchange. And if you're using my link, you get up to $5,500 trading bonus. You'll find the link for Bitunix in the video description. And if we now could continue the bullish trend, then of course the next very interesting area is this high here at $1.29. From the prices right now to this potential price target, we would have potential over 76%. And if we would reach the last high, we would have potential over 114%. And I think this is already a great deal on a big coin like matic. And if we are breaking this last high here to the upside and find bullish acceptance, then of course the most interesting price target is the all-time high right here at $2.92. And from the prices right now to this potential price target, we would have potential over 300%. So matic has a high potential. And of course the chance is there that the best coins are also exploding over the last all-time high. And I think matic is a great project with a very high potential. So the potential could be that we even see even higher price targets than the last all-time high. And if we are going on the daily time frame, you can see that we also built this little range right here. And now for me, it's very important that we are seeing a bullish momentum out of this zone, because if we are seeing the bullish momentum, then the chance is high that we can see even higher price targets. If we can't break out of the zone and see even lower prices, then I think the chance is high that we can see even lower prices and also break this last demand zone. But as long as we are not breaking this demand zone, the chance is high that we can continue the bullish trend just from this zone. So especially if we see a bullish momentum out of this zone, then I'm also very bullish on the short term and especially on the long term for this bull run. And if you want to get daily updates on a crypto market or altcoins like matic, then join my free Telegram group. You'll find a link in the description. So all in all guys, I'm really bullish on matic, because we now saw for the fourth time that we are retesting the last demand zone which was holding, and we saw a bullish push from this demand zone. So the chance that we could see a bullish explosion is there. And especially Bitcoin is also looking quite bullish, and if we see a move from Bitcoin to the upside, the chance that altcoins like matic are also going to the upside is very high. So guys, thank you really much for watching. I wish you great profits at trading and see you in the next one.